Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on IFN Vegetarian. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications from my new videos. Today's recipe is going to be the Gujarati Lauki Thepla. So we're going to start by making the dough first. So it's about 1 cup of doodhi, and to this I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger grated and 1 teaspoon of green chilies, along with that a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of hing. And the best part of the thepla for me is 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds and then equal portions of whole wheat flour to the lauki. So with a fork, I'm just going to stir all the ingredients together. So I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You need about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So you can use sour yogurt. So now I'm going to use my fingers to bring it all in. So my dough is ready. I'm just going to tip it out onto my board, give it a final knead. So now I'm ready to roll out my theplas. So before that, I'm going to start my pan. I want it on medium heat. So I'm going to dip my ball in the flour. Just gently roll it out. So now I'm going to place it on the hot pan, which is hot enough. So you cook it twice on the dry pan, and after the second time, you start putting a little bit oil to the edges. So I'm going to flip it over now. And this time, I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the edges. So this is a house favorite. We like to have this on Sundays with hot tea and Makhan. And I also like to add some pickle, a spicy kind. So I'm going to plate it. So my theplas are now ready. This is what I like to serve with some pickle. So this is the Gujarati Lauki Thepla. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to IFN Vegetarian.